Mindful for us that apart from God, we can do nothing. Pwede nyo sabihin sa katabi ninyo, apart from God, we can do nothing.
Apart from God, we can do nothing.
Kaya maganda yung short message device eh. Sabi niya, by the grace of God, masusurpass or even tenfold kung anong target meron tayo. Ibig sabihin, no, yes, meron tayong mga magagaling skill, at highly talented mga sales agents, but at the same time, dito ko natin makikita na hindi mo kikita sa Diyos. Kaya wala ko na ginawa natin today, we are dedicating this space unto the Lord. Now, the Lord is continue, for it is He who gives you power to get well, that He may confirm His covenant that He swore to your fathers as it is today. Okay? Now, ano yung dedication? As we dedicate, we acknowledge that it is God who owns everything. Even in the book of Psalms, sinabi ko, the earth is the Lord. In other words, if God is the owner of everything, tayo po ay merely stewards now. Merely stewards, or in other words, caretakers or managers. Tagapangalaga lamang po tayo. And since it is God who entrusted everything to us, ang tulong natin ay hindi lang mahalaga. We have to make sure that we will grow whatever it is na in-entrust natin ng Panginoon. So what is dedication? When we dedicate, we recognize the work of God in everything. Number one, we recognize the work of God. Nakikita po natin ang kamay ng Diyos sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. Because He orchestrates things for us. Kahit kung gaano maganda yung location na ito, kahit kung gaano ka-strategic ang location na ito, kung hindi ho tayo sa favor at pagkilos ng Diyos, hindi ho natin ito makukuha. Ibig sabihin, no, talagang lahat po yan ay tinano at inayos po ng Diyos para sa atin. Now, to continue po in the book of Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 19, and the city county as well, to witness the opening of this new branch, the Chinpur dealership, but at the same time, to also dedicate this showroom unto the Lord. Gagawin ang konsepto, dalawang beses natin narinig yung salita ng grace. What we are used to do is to attend house or business blessing. Ito yung natin natin nakikita. But in a dedication, because